Since yesterday's rainfall was that steady, consistent rain, so the ground was really able to absorb it. That's going to be good for your lawns, for your gardens, and we're seeing a big difference on our 30-day rain deficit map. So yesterday when I showed this, there was a whole lot of red and orange on here. Look at this difference for the day today. A lot more of that green and blue color, indicating closer to about 1 inch behind. Now, there are still a few spots that are higher totals behind, and hopefully we'll get a chance to knock those down over the next few more days, because yes, we do have some more rain on the way. So as we look at today and tomorrow, basically just some scattered chances, 40 to 50%, primarily happening both days in the late afternoon and evening time hours. Now on Thursday, that's going to be our next big widespread rainfall day, all associated with the cold front, triggering rain and storms across the area. That potentially can last a little bit into Friday morning, especially for our far eastern communities. And then notice, just in time for the weekend, showing much lower chances. So just a couple of slim light showers on Saturday, and does look dry on Sunday and Monday. Of course, Monday is Memorial Day. So get through the rain for the next 4 days, and that's going to help us with our deficit, and then you get to enjoy the weekend a little bit more. Now, in addition to the rain, that rain being good, yes, we do have a little bit of a risk for some severe weather. Now, all of these are going to be low in chances, but I did want to give you that update. So here's the risk for today and tonight. Biggest threat, well to the southwest of us. But we are looking at some of that level 1 marginal risk, which is that lowest one, covering up some of our counties. So basically, Cleveland, Chattanooga, Monteagle, and southward is under that level 1 marginal risk. Those storms weakening a bit as they move from southwest to northeast, so not so much of an impact the further to the north and east you are. So what are those threats? Well, we're looking at the potential for some damaging wind gusts and hail, and that's going to be more likely for our southwestern communities. Now, these threats of damaging wind and hail are going to be on the table not just for today, and today's threat is mainly after 6 p.m. this evening, but also tomorrow and on Thursday too. So here's the severe outlook for Wednesday. The main threat for tomorrow is to our west, but I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer to our area. You can see that it just barely clips our far western communities from Jackson County all the way up to Bledsoe and Van Buren counties, whereas Thursday, every location is highlighted. So I think Thursday is probably the day we really want you to be the most weather aware, but I did want to give you that heads up with some of these heavy downpours, lightning and thunder. We could see a few of these storms becoming strong to low and severe with, again, gusty wind and some hail. So now let's take a look at what we're dealing with. Here's our clouds and radar, pretty much dry on the radar at this time. We do have a mixture of some different clouds. A lot of the area, especially the central part of the viewing area, is still covered up with some low level clouds, but there are some breaks to the northwest, getting some blue sky and sunshine, and a few breaks off to the east. Overall, we'll still call it mostly cloudy for the day today, but of course, if you get some of that, more of that sun, temperatures can rise up a little bit more. Here's the front that's down to our south, already triggering a few showers and storms on either side of it in Alabama and portions of Georgia. As that lifts a little bit more to the north, that's going to bring us that chance for some showers and storms for our local area. So an isolated activity during the afternoon, but overall, we're looking at evening time. After 6 p.m., that's when I think we'll mainly have the rumbles of thunder, the heavy downpours. So keep that in mind if you're going to be out and about this Tuesday evening, for instance, for the Lookouts game. And it's not just the evening hours, but it'll continue into the nighttime hours as well. Now, Wednesday overall, partly sunny skies, so a few more breaks in the clouds here and there. But for the afternoon into the evening, yes, here comes some more scattered showers and storms, again, primarily affecting our western communities. And then here comes that cold front for Thursday. Storms building up to the west earlier in the day. And then we'll watch that sweeping across our area for Thursday afternoon and evening. Thursday is the day everybody's at rest for that severe weather and also the greatest rainfall potential. So overall, yes, the rain is going to be good, but we do want you to be weather aware. Warm temperatures, summertime, you can get some gusty winds, but look out that nice weather for the weekend. Latrice?